This is 3 on Merlene Waldridge. Waldridge, 26G 307166. I have a B file, I have an A file, and I have a C file. All right, what are we doing on this one, Mr. Schlopp? Your appearance?
James Schlopp, 30720. And I believe there was an offer made, Your Honor.
Boy, so she's going to plead. Your name, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm Marlene Walker.
They're going to dismiss altogether to leave the scene of a property damage accident, right?
Yes.
They're going to dismiss the false information charge, right?
Yes.
She's going to plead to failure to yield causing an accident and violation of instructional permit. She's going to plead guilty to that, right?
Yes. She's on the verdict.
I just got my license like a few days after the
I
incident.
just did I actually accurately repeat that? She's going to plead guilty to violation of instructional permit.
Yeah.
And responsible to fail to yield.
Yes.
Ma'am, if you plead to violation of instructional permit, the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today?
yes,
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to be able to have a trial. You're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
All right. And you're going to plead to failure to yield on count 2, right?
yes,
All right. To the charge violation of instructional permit, how do you plead?
yes,
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Adams near Grandview?
Yeah.
In Gibraltar, June 12 at 26 at 6:21 p.m.
yes,
And did you violate the terms of your instructional permit, and if so, in what way?
yes, I was driving without a licensed driver in the vehicle.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no,
To the charge failure to yield causing an accident, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
I'll accept that plea, accept the plea to violation of instructional permit. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the leaving the scene of a property damage accident as well as false information. All right. What, anything?
She's on her way to becoming a fine driver, Your Honor.
Is she?
I'm licensed. I have a license.
I know, but you can't do this, right?
Yeah.
Anything you want to tell me on the instructional permit?
Not that I can think of, sir.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 3 1/4, 90 days, 195 on the failure to yield. Your total here amounts to $520. Can you pay all of that?
Not today.
How much can you pay today?
I think I have 100.
Pay 100 now on the failure to yield. When can you pay the rest of that? Could you pay in 2 weeks by July 16th?
The total?
No, the one of the, another 95. Can you
Yes,
pay by
yes.
July 16th? Yes? And then on the instructional permit, you're going to owe $325. When can you pay that? Can you pay that by August 1st?
Yes.
Are you sure? I can give you more time.
Yeah, if you want to, just in case.
Do
I
you,
appreciate it.
you want me to?
Yeah, please.
August 15th. Listen, if you don't have the money, no problem. Call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, okay?
Thank you so much.
I wish you well. Good luck. Go down and pay your 100 and make sure you stay in compliance with those plans. And if you can't, come on back and talk to me, okay? Good luck. People
Thank
against Virginia Johnson. Virginia, let me just, this is all, wow. Virginia Marie Johnson, 26G 306744.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon to you.
James Schlopp, 30720.
It's not afternoon yet, is it?
Back way.
All right, Ms. Johnson, what are you doing? Your name?
Virginia Johnson.
She's gonna plead to operating while impaired. They're going to dismiss the OWI, right?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
If you do that, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all 4 points. License suspension or revocation in accordance with your record in your vehicle could be, or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
Those are the possible penalties. She paid the maximum penalties. You're still probationable. And
Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Why are you looking at your lawyer like that?
Anything else? It's fine.
Okay, I want to make sure you want to go forward. Do you want to go forward?
Yes,
Did you sign an advice of rights form?
yes,
Did you read it and understand it?
yes,
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial or a hearing. Do you understand that?
yes,
All right. To the charge, operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
guilty,
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Jefferson near Breland and Gibraltar, May the 10th of 26 at 2:17 in the morning?
yes,
Did you drink alcohol before that? And if so, what did you drink and how much?
yes. A couple of mixed vodka drinks,
How many?
I believe two.
How big were they?
Well, I don't drink much.
No, but when you say mixed vodka drinks, were they completely just vodka? Where there's a mixer in there with them?
Red Bull,
Okay, and was your ability to operate the vehicle impaired due to the
It was.
consumption of the alcohol?
yes.
In what way? Why were you pulled over by the police?
I believe I was speeding,
You think you were speeding at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
yes,
Did you take an intoxilizer breath test?
Yes.
At the police station?
yes,
And counsel, were the results 0.17, and do you so stipulate that was accurate for purposes of the plea?
yes,
Ma'am, are you on probation or parole?
no,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no,
Please accept the charge. The OWI is dismissed. You've been going to AA?
yes. I have every bit of an attending Al-Anon most of my life.
Did you show that to your lawyer?
I
Yeah.
saw.
What are you upset about? You did have a problem in 2010, right? You had another
Yes.
one.
I'm just embarrassed.
And she has
Relax.
a lot going on in her life, which will come out at the time of sentencing, but she has a mother who will be going into a nursing home very soon. She's taking care of her mother in the meantime,
And I've been for 10 years.
and other responsibilities.
Where do you work?
Through Angel Home Care Services for my mom, and then also I do insurance.
You sell insurance? Yes?
Yes.
I'm gonna order a screening and assessment.
I've had a lot of significant health issues in the last year. Oh,
Okay, I'm sorry. Screening and assessment, just relax. You're gonna go over there, you're gonna fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed, and you're gonna come back for sentence. What do we have, Heather?
That will be July 16th at 9:45.
Okay, July 16th at 9:45.
That's one of my days, I believe, right?
Right. All right, any other questions, ma'am?
no.
All right, go down the hall, we'll give you your paper notice, and you go back across the hall, and you'll fill out a question and be interviewed, all right?
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Good luck with your health and everything, too. Reed Dean Lavity Jr., 25W82910. This isn't good. Sir, your name?
Pretty loud, we good?
What are we doing on this one?
He's gonna acknowledge that he's in violation.
So I ordered you not to consume alcohol, correct?
Yes,
And I have a charge here that alleges you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol on April the 18th, and also that you were convicted of operating while impaired through this court on May the 14th of 26. Is that, and you're going to plead guilty to those. Is that true?
yes,
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
yes,
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
I need Jessica, Chen. To the charge, you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive at the Flat Rock Police Department on the 18th of April of 26 on a PBT. How do you plead?
Yes.
Did you consume alcohol on that date?
yes,
Did you consume alcohol? Well, let me ask you this. Also, as to count two, to the charge, you failed to refrain from violating a law, which could trigger a 90-day jail term in this case. How do you plead to that?
Did you pick up a new offense?
Concord,
Did you plead guilty to operating while impaired on May the 14th? And did that occur or emanate from an incident that occurred on on April the 18th?
yes,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no,
Was that in front of me?
yeah,
Did I send you yet?
yeah,
Judge Heston sentenced, just vote on, Your Honor, Judge Heston sentenced on that case.
So you were in front of Judge Hess.
Nope, it was in Judge, I thought it was a Judge Hessen case. He has been sentenced already on the OWVI case, Your Honor.
Can you tell me, Heather, does that he looks familiar again. Why are you getting in so much trouble all of a sudden? Well, you better figure it out. I gotta revoke his HIDA status on this. You have no choice on that. HIDA status revoked, conviction entered. Tell me, Heather, whether that was me or Judge Hessen.
Believe it's you, Judge. Let me pull that one up.
I was kind of surprised too.
Yeah, it is your case. His other case is yours, Judge.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, that's my apologies. I thought it was Judge Hessen.
Don't worry about it.
I just thought that, this would have been all taken care of at the time of the,
Well, we believe in rights here, so no, seriously, they don't typically, through my direction, violate people who have a pending case until it's over. I mean, sometimes, depending on certain issues, it's happened, but, I don't feel comfortable going forth with a probation violation for being arrested and convicted when he has another one pending. So that's the thing. Let me do this. Let me set this for sentencing when Mr. Schloff is here. And I want to go back, and I'm going to ask you to print out. I want to go back and look at some things. So Heather, here's what I'm going to have you do. Why don't we set this out? Are you here July the 30th?
He will not. Oh yeah, he will be here that day. It's a Trenton day. It's one of his days.
Let's do that at 9:00. And I want to look at the police. I want somebody to get me the police report again in my sentence on the original charge of operating when impaired. I'm not going to double hammer him. I mean, I might add a little, but I'm already entering the conviction, but if I've sentenced him, I knew what was going on. So that's what we'll do.
Judge, can I just note, I just wanted to let Heather know, I have copies of all of that because I have his other file on probation as well, so I'll get you all those copies for sentencing day.
So we're going to give you that date, okay?
Okay,
gotta
so you
stay out of trouble.
take that file, Jessica, then. And then, Judge, what time do we want to do it on the 30th?
9:00.
9
Is that all
o'clock?
right? Yeah.
And then is this a show cause or probation violation sentencing?
Probation violation sentencing.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Good luck. You better be compliant or we're gonna have a big problem, okay?
Okay.
It's not good that a judge ordered you not to drink, and not only did you drink, you went out and got drunk. Not only did you drink and get drunk, you went and drove after drinking and getting drunk. This is not good.
I'm sorry.
Good luck.